Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect and set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do is first you want to go into the search bar right here and type in Facebook. And from here you should be seeing the Facebook and Instagram right here. This is what you want, but if you can see it here in the search results, then you can click here on the Shopify App Store. And from here, you should be seeing a bunch of apps right here, and this is what you want. So click on this one right here and click on install. And now the next thing is we are going to wait for this one to load, and we're going to click on install again right here to install this app into our Shopify store. And there it is. And by the way, I suggest that you log into facebook.com first before you proceed into the next steps right here so that it would be seamless. And now here we are in the app. So from here, we're going to click on get started. And from here, connect your Facebook account. So click on connect account. In my case, I'm already logged in. So all I have to do is click on continue. And now let's wait. And then from here, we have the business portfolio, and you have your catalogs right here, and you connect your business portfolio that owns it. You'll be able to manage how to advertise your products later. So these are your business portfolio. So depending on what you want to connect, then you can just click on connect. But if you don't have one, then no worries. You can just click on create new. And then from here, I suggest that you go for maximum on this one and click on save. And then the next thing basically is this one, connect a pixel to track customer behavior. So from here, you would need to click on create new. And as you can see, it is now connected right here because it says disconnect. So all I have to do is click on confirm. And now all that's left is the terms and conditions. So from here, you can click on this checkbox and click on submit for review. Now all that's left is to wait for Facebook to approve our application right there. And then once it's approved, then you should be able to see it in your pixel page on your business.facebook.com. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.